how to make another Cash App account. Now it doesn't matter if you want to make another Cash App account as long as it is a different email and under a different name and a different phone number and different documents. So you can simply open up Cash App, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here, right? So once you basically open Cash App and then you see this, let's just wait until this process has been completed and the application opened up. What you'll need is an email address and a phone number that you can use for Cash App. And if you want to verify your account and start making transactions, you also need to have documents with you. Just tap the use email button. Just enter the email address that you would like to use for your Cash App account. And once you make sure to enter the email address you want to use for your Cash App account, now you can also use phone, by the way, but you can use email. Tap the next option, verify the code, and create your password and enter your details. And after that, your Cash App account will be successfully created. This way you can make another Cash App account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.